How to change country on your Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your country in your Google Play Store. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. And now once you're on the home page of your Play Store, tap on your profile icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. Now go to payments and subscriptions and then tap on payment methods. Now tap on more payment settings and now it will relaunch you to your browser. So now once you're on your browser, tap on the three lines on the top left corner of your screen and then go to settings. Now as you can see, my country/region is currently set to Nepal. So if I want to change it, tap on this pencil icon right over here and then tap on create new profile. Now tap on continue. And now just for the sake of this video, I'll change my country or region to US. So once you've selected that, simply tap on continue. And now you'll have to fill out all of the details such as your address line 1, address line 2, city, state and zip code. Now once you've entered all of these, simply tap submit and you'll have successfully changed your country or region in your Google Play Store. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.